I claim this planet in the name of Mars.
What's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Marvin the Martian from Looney Tunes. So, without further ado, let's get into it.
Come out and fight me like a Martian!
So, I have my sketch here, and I'm just going to trace it with a marker to show you how I drew it. So I'm going to start with the eyes, and I'm going to outline his eyebrows.
I'm a Martian, not a great white shark. I'm a Martian. I play frisbee in the park. Come over to my party. It's not that long a trip. You'll be glad you made the journey for my 7.
Now I'm going to draw his pupils, pointing to his right.
Do you like little puppies? I make them in my lab. I'm a Martian. I hope for you no ill will. A Martian. Does someone need a chill pill?
And now I'm going to start drawing his hoplite headwear.
Let's share a lemon soda and talk about our feelings. But don't insult my helmet, cause then I'll hit the ceiling. I got a laser! And it's pointed at your planet. It's my laser! So don't take me for granted. I'm a Martian! Boom shakalaka. I'm a Martian!
And now I'm going to draw the little metal part on the side of his face.
Boom. You seem detached today.
And now I'm going to finish drawing his hoplite headgear. He has a broom-like thing on his head. So now I'm just going to draw the details in the broom.
I give you love, but you act so mean. It's like you've drifted far away from me. Laser beam, why have you forsaken me?
And now I'm going to start drawing his body and his arms.
I feel you pulling away from me. All the times that we've had together are now vaporized.
And there's his arm behind his other one, and the other metal part of his headgear. And now I'm going to start drawing his glove, which is holding a laser gun.
I've never felt closer to anyone in my life. And now you're sitting there and you refuse to power on, and it cuts me like a
So now I'm going to start drawing his laser gun.
can't believe you won't power on anymore. It's not like I can run down and buy another laser at the laser store. Laser beam, I guess this is our
Now I'm going to start drawing his hoplite skirt.
laser beam. I will miss your nuclear fission.
His hoplite headgear and skirt were actually based off of
Someday
the Greek god Mars, which I think is funny because, you know, Mars, Martian.
Oh, or I could just plug you in.
And now I'm going to start drawing his big shoes.
B-E-P-O-L-I-T-E. B-E-P-O-L.
And so his shoes have the sole,
When you hear a sneeze, say bless you.
and then a top part with 4 lines,
If someone shoots you with a laser,
and then a black circle on the end.
scream. Be polite, or I'll vaporize you.
And then a similar thing on the other shoe. And there you have it. There's Marvin the Martian from Looney Tunes. I'll see you in the next video, and I hope you enjoyed. Peace out.
Where's the kaboom? There was supposed to be an earth-shattering kaboom!